What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making a low-carb lemon blueberry loaf. This is heavenly, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started. So first you want to take 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of sweetener, and then go ahead and give that a mix using a hand blender. You can use a standing mixer as well. Then you want to take 4 eggs at room temperature, 1/4 cup of sour cream or plain non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of grated lemon zest. Give that a mix with your mixer. And then you want to separately combine your dry ingredients. Take 2 cups of almond flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and give that a good mix. Then you want to add your dry ingredients to the wet. And then go ahead and stir that using a silicone spatula or spoon. And then fold in 1 cup of fresh blueberries and stir. And then you're going to grab a loaf pan. I like to line mine with parchment paper. You can also grease the pan and add your mix to that pan. And then spread that out and get everything nice and distributed. And then I like to add a few more blueberries on top. Then you're going to bake that in a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you're going to cover your pan with a little bit of foil and then bake it for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. That's going to keep it from becoming too brown on top. And there you have it, lemon blueberry bread.